G'day. Alrighty, so just a quick one tonight. I'm just going to run through something. I'm going to run through basically how to find some winning dropshipping products. So part of the winning at dropshipping, right, is you've got to have good products. And if you don't know what those products are, or if you've got no idea what a winning product is, you're never going to get anywhere close to getting like sales. Okay, so there's some products that you can try and sell that are just not going to work, and then there's other products you put out there and people are just going to want to buy. So what I'm going to do is go through them now and just close that screen down. Actually, before I get started, if you want to join the Ecom Rebel community, you can go to ecomrebel.com and check it out. It's a community of people into dropshipping and e-commerce, and essentially get videos and part of a community, and we're doing webinars and tips and tricks, all sorts of fun stuff. All right, now let's get back into it. I want to show you this site here. So the URL is droppoint.site. So that's DROPPOINT.site. So it's droppoint.site. So this is there's plenty of these tools around, but I just want to share this tool with you because this is sort of the biggest frustration with people. They really don't know what to put onto their store. So some of these products I'm going to show you, these are like for the general niche, but there's some ones for individual niches, like very specific. But if you want to start out like the simplest, you would start in the general niche and try different products. So let's just run through some of these products here. So at the moment, we got the what's quite big is Halloween, and basically you can see a lot of Halloween products. Now, what we're looking at here is winning Ali products. This is different filters, okay? And this is saying like 1 day ago, this is the last time it checked. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but the number of orders is down the bottom. So at the moment, this one says 6,027 orders. It's a very inexpensive item. If we want to click on it, we just click on view, and it will open up that actual AliExpress item. So if you're not familiar, a common place to dropship from is AliExpress. So essentially, it is a massive site in China, and you can sign up for it, and you can buy stuff pretty inexpensive, and you can get it delivered pretty much anywhere in the world. It's just a matter of the time it takes to do it. So sometimes you can get 14 days, 15 days for delivery, or depending on if you do other ones, it might take 30, 45 days for delivery. So people use this site, and this here, you're basically paying 20 cents, and these look like, so they're little self-adhesive nail art. So they're quite small. This is to go on like nails. So that's pretty cool. So it's pretty inexpensive. But you'll find that there'll be sites selling these for, maybe $5 or $10 plus maybe free shipping or something with that. So as you can see, you got free shipping, or if you choose, let's change it to e-packet. So this e-packet, $3. So that product is around $3 to $4 delivered. So there'll be a lot of stores that are selling this, and you can see from when we go back to here, there was about 6,000 orders. So you can see all the different products to do with Halloween, because that's selling right now, and you'll find all these products. They'll have some type of video or a thing they're doing on Facebook, and they're advertising. So these are some of the products. Scroll through down, as you can see, there's different types of products here. We got jewelry, clothing, stuff for kids. You got other products to do with like phone holders, stuff to do with makeup. So it's a pretty cool list. So some more Halloween stuff, some socks. So if you really need some ideas for different products to sell, this is the place to check out. Now, when you go to dropship.site, it's actually free, and you can see some of the products. And then if you start using it, it'll ask you to upgrade. Now the upgrade, it used to be, I believe, $3 a month, which is just crazy, right? $3 a month. But now it's $5 a month. So it's obviously getting more popular. And at $5 a month is still really cheap. Like a lot of other products that are like this are between $50 and $100 a month to find these type of winning products. So, and yes, you can find a lot of this stuff on Ali yourself looking, but this is just one of the features that this has. All right, so if we have a look, you got winning, and then you got this live advertisements. So let's just click on live advertisements, and I'll show you what that does. Hi, Michelle. How you doing? Thanks for joining me. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to put them below. Alrighty. So now what you're seeing here this is quite amazing, right? It's seeing ads from like 8 minutes ago. So this ad here was last seen 8 minutes ago. And some of these products are like never seen before. So I don't even know what this is, but what you can actually do is if you click on it, let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, so it will have a recommend, it'll have the actual video. So let's just try this. I don't know what will happen, if it'll actually work. I'm not sure if the sound will work. Be interesting doing a live and then watching a video. So always wait for that to load and see what happens. Ooh, looks like it's sort of working. So this looks like a little clip, and they sell lots of like products. So it's a little store, lots of interesting things. Okay, so it's basically like it's kind of like a store that sells different products, and if we let's click on the shop now and see where that takes us. Okay, so when you click on shop now, it'll take us straight to the actual page from the ad. All right, so they do some wholesale stuff. What else do they do? Scroll down a bit. Cool, so they got different things, jewelry, some interesting stuff. Some cute little giraffe there, jelly beans. So all sorts of different products, and obviously you can sell these. So interesting. Never found out anything about this before. So this is some of the stuff you can actually find out. Okay, now here's another one. This one looks like a Christmas gift. So they're starting early for Christmas. Now you're thinking, well, what's exciting about this? And it's got 532,000 views. So if we click on, let's just have a look at the page. So we're going to this page now. So it looks like an interesting little toy, 50% off, $20. Doesn't look all that crazy. Must have a good video. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's pretty wild. So it's a toy, and you've got to, I don't know, but it's interesting. Okay, so it's like a fun little toy to play with to make it do interesting things. And then they got a video here that goes through. I won't play it now, but it's like an interesting thing. I would say they would have a really cool video on that. I won't watch it, but these are some great products. And as we're coming up to Christmas, people like buy gifts. So as I said, got best Christmas gifts and stuff like that. You may have seen other ones like this. I've seen similar ones. This is the inflatable beach sofa bed. So I've seen some other ones. This is very similar, 887,000 views. So some really, really good products. I've only really looked at really like 4 ads, and all of these would be winners. So the reason is if you're getting views like this, they're actually getting sales. Otherwise, they can't run the ads, and that's how it works. So we just do one more, scroll down a bit more. So here's an interesting little projector. So this little projector here, fast and free while shipping. It's only just started out, but it looks very interesting. And what else we got? This one I've seen before, but this is done in a different country. So I don't know that language, possibly German language. But this product here is basically like a viewing screen for a phone. So basically, you have your phone there, and then you put the screen, and it makes it actually bigger. It's like a lens, and that was 128,000 views. So a lot of things that dropshippers are doing is that might be like well known in the States, but then they take their product and translate it to another country, and then they're introducing something that someone may not have done before, and so they'll get a lot of sales that way. So that's interesting. But this is just an amazing resource that you can use. And yeah, basically, even if you spent the $5, you can get a lot of really good products. And it ranges from normal drop shipping stores to companies that have been around for a long time. There's a lot of filters you can do. You can filter by country, keywords, and also different different other things, when it was seen last, ratios, the buttons. So all that information there, you can do that. And they've got one more section, which is winning adverts. So we'll just click on that before we finish up. And if you want to, if you're serious about learning more about drop shipping, you can always check out ecomrebel.com. It's a community put together, basically, so you can access tips and tricks and tutorials and videos and all that sort of fun stuff. All right, just finishing up on the winning advertisement. So some of these ones, and why they're winning, is because of the amount of views they've had. So this one here is a very well-known one called the Bradford Exchange, and they make some really high-quality products. So this one's had nearly, so it only been discovered a couple of days ago, but it's done 910,000 views. And that looks like a Christmas-type product. Also, there's a product here to help with your knees. Some jewelry. I've seen some similar ones like this before, and 6.3 million views. So, this stuff is selling, and there's no reason why you can't sell the similar products. You've just got to put together, basically have the right tools, you're going to have the skills, put it together, and the right mindset, and you can make this stuff work. So I think I'm going to wrap that up, but what I'll do is I'll put a link below to a dropapoint.site, and there's no doubt about it, it's going to get more expensive in the future, but I'm sure if you get in now at $5 a month, it's going to give you the information you need to find out some of those products. So I think that's all I need to cover tonight. If you guys have got any questions, just put them in the chat below, and I'll be too happy to help you out. And I will see you again probably tomorrow with some more tips and stuff on drop shipping. All right, well, thanks, guys. Catch you later. Bye.